That's a really crucial question to ask before you even get started.
Absolutely. The performance reference for Splunk Enterprise Security section is key here
It kicks off by mentioning that capacity planning is complex,
because every environment, every use case is unique.
but it does highlight some installation best practices right off the bat.
The big one is installing enterprise security on a dedicated search head or search head cluster.
That prevents resource contention with other Splunk apps.
They also recommend only installing Common Information Model, or CIM, compatible apps on the same search head.
This helps maintain stability and avoids conflicts,
And this is interesting, all real-time searches in ES use the indexed real-time setting.
which improves indexing performance. They advise against deactivating that.
Beyond installation, they talk about constraints on search load,
You need to monitor and adjust memory consumption and run times of searches.
especially in high-volume deployments.
Enforcing quality standards for your search processing language, or SPL, is also recommended.
Things like time frames and intervals for scheduled searches.
Then there are constraints on data ingestion to consider when scaling.
For volumes over 15 terabytes a day, they suggest working with a Splunk field architect.
Because the data model acceleration searches in ES can impact cluster performance.
So dedicated resources, CIM compatibility, mindful search practices, and planning for large data volumes seem to be the main pre-deployment guidelines.